This is an open box video of the mirror covers that we're now offering. So in the box you'll find a couple set of harnesses. This is for the puddle lights that will shine from the bottom of the mirrors themselves. Then these are the LEDs, the new style LEDs that goes on the front. Inside will be two new covers. These come unpainted, so you will have to paint them yourself once you receive them. The LEDs will come with mounting hardware to attach to the covers themselves. Once you have them painted, it will be attached like so. There will be a ground wire and two signal wires. This is going to be the parking light. So if the parking light is on, you have a turn signal, you'll automatically strobe over to the turn signal, and then the parking light will come back on itself. The puddle lights, which are these right here, will attach onto the bottom. Once you have the lights clamped in, they just click right in. Like so. It sits flat. You can wire these to your the lower door lights on each driver and passenger side door. So whenever you unlock your door, the puddle lights will come on themselves. When you order, make sure you order the correct ones. There will be a difference between 98 to 2000, 2001-ish, the pre-facelift, and this is for the post-facelift from 2001 on later. The way you can tell is this is in two pieces. There's going to be an extra trim piece lip right here that you will have to use from your stock mirrors. For the earlier version, the 98 to 2000, is all in one piece. There's no two halves to it, so it's just full replacement of your original mirror cover. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.